if there's a conflict between the US and Iran, it would be a disaster for Pakistan. Already Pakistan has suffered because of conflict with Afghanistan. The thing that worries us most is that we've just stabilized our economy. We went through a really difficult patch. We've stabilized our economy, and if there's a conflict, oil prices will go up, and not just Pakistan, it's going to affect a lot of the developing countries.
And you brought this up with President Trump?
Yes, I did. The fact that we will all suffer, I mean, the developing world will suffer because of the oil prices. But in any case, it makes no sense. I mean, it's 19 years the US has been stuck in Afghanistan. Can this region afford another conflict?
Did you feel he was listening?
Well, I gave my point of view. I don't know. I mean, I guess President Trump would have his own advisors. But I certainly gave my point of view, and I'm really anti these military solutions.